what are the names of the specialists who help determine the type of mold that is present? I know you mentioned just you can Google that, but what exactly, I guess they're asking, what exactly are you Googling? What are they called?
I've hired a industrial hygienist, and that was the first time I'd heard that term. It was an environmental engineering firm, and that's the title that they had for that person who came out and did quite a bit of testing. I think it was about $2,500 the cost, but they were certainly ready to. They had a 15-page report, and they were ready to come to court. And so it was an industrial hygienist. I don't know that that's the only expert. Jay, what would you say?
Now, I think that's the right search term.
Okay.
There are definitely a handful of them out there that'll do that work. I can't recall any names right offhand. I will say, as I sort of alluded to earlier, I would steer away from the guys you see on TV, that do just general water cleanup and things like that. Occasionally they have somebody who really knows what they're doing. I won't throw any names out there, any companies under the bus, but I've just seen a lot of those companies come out and make it worse and not make it better. So I do think it's worth getting somebody who's a specialist in the area and frankly insisting on that with your landlord too.
I will say one of the great advantages, I think, of the medical legal partnership, the cases I've had, I'm still connected to and working with the pulmonologist staff, and they have told me what the remedy should be. Replace this carpet with this type of tile, or, here's the type of filters, these HEPA filters, this is what this child with cystic fibrosis would benefit from. And, it wasn't all common knowledge. It was things that were kind of specialized to their expertise. So, yeah, I think the types of experts or that could be involved in these cases, finding a remedy or even determining what mold is there, there's kind of a variety still, perhaps, that would be relevant for something like this.